Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, we have to open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, basically this operation looks pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used. So let's tap on the Chrome in my case, tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of websites which we've previously opened, so the whole history. And of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on those X buttons right next to it. However, if in your case this list is long, then I highly recommend to do it automatically just by tapping on clear browsing data. As you can see here, we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got the browsing history, cookie sensei data and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. What is more, we can change the time range. So for example, from last hour to all time, for example. Just tap on clear data, and as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Xiaomi 12S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.